GMG ideology. Citation by Adebayo. Context: history of the GMG. GM goals. How GM work. Benefits of participants. Referral bonus. Guidance bonus. GM. GM Global. GM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. GM is a community of ordinary people selflessly help each other. GM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the money with the one who wants to get money. That is GH. Issue of Green Map is a community of efforts set up by MMM participants after dates of MMM finance. God, who dates on 26th of March 2018. Our aim is to actualize the dreams of Sigma Front, and our community is plots and blueprints of things needed. We have taken time to discuss and analyze the shortcoming of MMM, and we are putting it measured to cope most of its goals. All gatherers are invited to join us in growing this community. Our goal is to create a fair financial system where money will not longer be an issue and to eradicate what unjustified financial system. The goal here is once the money is a financial product, we help millionaires to make millions. Create a platform where there will be no need to go to the bank to borrow money to execute financial projects. How Green Macro works. Green Macro is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of creationist reciprocity and the benefits. Macro is international currency of GM. It is what you buy when you pledge to donate and it starts growing from the moment at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of the reward is every days after confirmed our 10%. The sum of micro shows how much you can request yourself. Benefit of the participants. You provide help and receive 30% more per month for your donations. Extension bonus. Extension bonus for every first donation. The participants receive a bonus in the amount of $20 if you donate it from 11,000 to 109,078 naira. $50 if you donate. If the donation is from 110,000 to 659,708. $100. Donation more than 660,000 naira. Referral bonus 10% of each. You got 10% from all donations of the participants. You invite new members to the community. Is your additional contribution to its development. And the bonus is given on every new member. First pH to pH plus make pH to 0 point pH times 0.10. Guidance bonus. Guidance of the Ken Marble community can create their own multiple level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multiple level bonus. So a manager can have his own leader who ranks is higher than him. Manager's bonus varies depending on the level you are in the structure. Guidance bonus. Guidance bonus is 2% for the first level, 1.5% the second level, 1% the third level, and so on. Guidance rule. Rule 1. Do not have multiple accounts. You can always pitch as much times as you want without the GMG account. Penalty. All accounts will be permanently blocked. You will be banned. Rule 2. Do not share email or bank details with others members. Penalty. You will all be blocked from getting help until you give identity proof. Rule 3. Do not delay in paying for your order. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 4. Do not edit your banking details or changing password less than 15 days before getting help. Penalty. Your date will be delayed for 14 days. Rule 4. Rule 5. Do not click on the I agree to make payments button for more than once a month. Penalty will be blocked. Rule 6. Do not make deposit and pay to attach bill complement. You will be blocked. Rule 7. Do not pay to confirm your payment. You will be blocked. Rule 8. Do not allow your family member to pH more than you. If they have more than the amount you paid, you pH to donate, let them do it through your bill or tell them to register through your guidance links. You will be penalty, you will be blocked. Rule 9. Always remember to write your letter of happiness after every GH withdraw. Must need to write it after your date is 3 days. Penalty will be blocked. Rule 10. Enroll people just for the sake of bonus without educating and caring about them or enrolling them when they are not really interested. Sanctions, moderator and consultants.